welcome to our YouTube channel Simply Food. Today we're gonna show you how to make Ukrainian borscht. The list of ingredients is below this video. Start with cutting pork and beef meat into cubes. It doesn't have to be exact cubes, but it should be around the same size. Place the meat cubes in a large pot and cover them with water, just enough to be submerged. Cook over medium heat. Mince onion or use food processor. We love our little kitchen helper. So much easier. Grate the carrots and red beets on a large grater. You can grate them together into one bowl. Preheat oil or fat in a bigger frying pan. When the oil or fat is ready, saute onion. After a few minutes, add mix of red beets and carrot. Mix it well. After a few minutes, add 1 cup of water and simmer until tender. In the meantime, start prepping cabbage. Cut cabbage into thin strips. When a combination of onion, carrot and red beets is tender, add tomato paste. Mix it well together and let it simmer for a few more minutes. Add salt and ground black pepper according to your taste, but it's always better to start with less and add more later. Add cut cabbage and bay leaf to a pot with meat and stir. Add 1 broth cube or 1 tablespoon of soup spice and mix it together again. Add sausages cut into thin slices and potatoes cut into smaller cubes. And don't forget to add a combination of carrot and red beets with onion. Mix it all well together and cook additional 30 minutes. now we are done. Haha. It looks amazing, right? Place 1 tablespoon of sour cream on top of the borscht in your serving bowl. Serve it with or without caraway bread. Borscht is amazing either way. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching our video.